How to fix srttrail.txt. Blue error on Windows. 1. System restore, Windows safe mode. 2. For laptop users. Only, remove your battery and place it back later. 3. Disconnect non-essential devices. 4. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, in Windows safe mode with networking. 5. Scan. System for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Rebuild boot configuration data, BCD, and fix master boot record, MBR. Commands include, disk part list volume select volume x assign letter equals c, put c colon / windows / sc, / f all bootrec / fix for bootrec / fix but bootrec / rebuild. 7. Run sfc and check disk, chktsk. Command in Windows safe mode. Commands include, sfc/scanO chktsk/f/r/xc. 8. Disable early launch. Anti-malware protection in Windows safe mode. 9. Disable automatic startup repair in Windows safe mode. Command, /set default recovery enabled. Number 10, check and fix the device partition in Windows safe mode. Commands include, /, if you do not see the device value as partition equals c, /set default device partition equals c, /set default us device partition equals c. 11, check boot priority in BIOS. Check the boot options in BIOS via OS Boot Manager. 12. Disable secure boot in BIOS. 13. Disable driver signature enforcement in Windows safe mode. You would need to run the following commands, if the aforementioned srttrail.txt. Stop error is gone, set load options disable _integrity _checks, set test signing on. 14. Reset your system in Windows troubleshoot mode. 15. Reinstall Windows via Windows safe mode. Note, you need to get a Windows installation disk prepared and boot your media from that drive.